Good morning, students. Welcome to your English class. In English, through this video, I am going to explain today how to write an application. First of all, you should understand what does an application means. Application when we apply for something, and when we need to apply something means we are seeking somebody's permission for that. We are seeking permission for that. It means if we are not allowed to do something by our own, वहाँ पे हम रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं टू द अथॉरिटीज़, टू द सीनियर वंस टू गेट अस permitted. Okay, so application we write when we need somebody's permission. So here today we will learn how to write an application for sick leave. Sick means ill, not well. If we are not feeling well and we want a leave from the school for one day, we will write an application to the head of the school. And who is the head of the school? Principal. Principal is the head of the school, so we will write the application to the principal to get one day leave. So in the application we always follow a particular format to be written. We cannot change the format. By format I mean in the first line, whatever we write in the first line, second line, it should be that ways only. We cannot interchange the position by our own. It is fixed. It is fixed. Format means when something is fixed, we cannot change by ourselves. That is known as format of something. So format of application is, in the first line we always address to the person जिसे हम application लिख रहे हैं. So we are writing this application to the principal. So the first line of application is the principal. And how I have written here is, we will write T capital, we will write P capital, the principal. In the second line we write the school name. We write the school name, and school name is Rishikul World Academy. Rishikul World Academy, and we will make first alphabet capital of every word, like R capital, then words W capital, and then Academy A capital. Alright, we have given the proper space between the words. Rishikul World Academy, that means in the second line we are writing the school name. Third line comes our city name, and in which city we live, it's Sonipat. So in the third line we will write Sonipat, and we will make S capital. We will make S capital. Then comes date. In the next line we write date, and date should be the same day, the current date which we are writing the application. We are writing the application. Okay. Then in the next line we write subject. Subject here is very important, about what we are talking about, what we are going to ask permission, that is subject. So in subject we have written here application for sick leave. Application for sick leave. Then comes the next line. In the next line again we write respected. Respected ma'am or sir it can be. In our school it is ma'am, so we are writing ma'am. Principal ma'am is there, so we are writing respected ma'am. Respected, it's a big word. You can learn the spellings by breaking into the parts. Respected ma'am. Then starts with the content. Contents mean जो हमने उसके अंदर अब लाइनें लिखनी है, that is the major content, body of application जिसे हम बोलते हैं. अब ये यहाँ से बॉडी ऑफ एप्लीकेशन स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, जिसे हम एक स्टैंजा फॉर्म में लिखते हैं. वी कैन राइट इट इन द वे जहाँ हमारा वर्ड लाइन के एंड में ख़त्म हो गया, हम नेक्स्ट लाइन में स्टार्ट कर देंगे. यहाँ हम फॉर्मेट में नहीं फॉलो करते हैं कि हमें नेक्स्ट लाइन कहाँ से स्टार्ट करनी है. इट शुड गो विद अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर स्पेस प्रोवाइडेड, कि जितना स्पेस में हम फिनिश करना चाहते हैं वहाँ पे. देन कम्स I am student of class 2. यहाँ पे हम मेंशन कर रहे हैं. अब हम प्रिंसिपल मैम को एप्लीकेशन लिख रहे हैं, तो फर्स्टली वी शुड मेंशन इन विच क्लास वी स्टडी. I am student of class 2. As you can see, only I is to be made capital. I am student of class 2. In your school, I's format here is I formation. As I have told you, these lines should not be there. The second line after full stop will be I am student of class 2 in your school. Then I am unwell. I am unwell. Full stop. This line is completed. Then we will write so. I cannot come to school. I cannot come to school. Kindly grant me leave for one day. The next line will be kindly grant me leave for one day. That means grant means to allow. Kindly, when we are requesting somebody, kindly grant me leave for one day. Thanking you, yours obediently. These are to be in the format, format should be like after one day our content is finished. The next is again the format ways. Thanking you should be in the next line. Yours obediently also should be in the next line. Yours obediently means जो आपकी बात मानता है या मानती है. Obediently, obedient person उसे बोलते हैं those who follow the instructions. And for writing purpose I will send you the PDF because here is two mistake in this notebook which I am sharing. After unwell there should be full stop, and so S will be capital and there will not be any full stop after so. Also the formation of I should be the straight one vertical line. Okay, so for writing purpose I will share you the PDF. So thanking you, yours obediently, then name and then class 2. Alright students, so this is the way we need to write the application. Hope it is clear to all of you. I'm waiting for your responses. Do send me your work photos after you finish with it. Take care students.